So we're staying in a small B&B in a little village called Alleppey, and we've just come down for breakfast, and I was just amazed to see that the breakfast is being cooked on this open fire by a little old Indian lady, and the breakfast that she produced was just amazing. Just take a look at this. So we started the day by hiring a scooter. God, the roads here are terrible. You've got the suicide buses that just aim at everybody.
Have you never driven a bike here?
This lady just couldn't believe
It's
it
these
even hired one.
suicide buses.
After breakfast and bike hire, we decided to hire a private cruise boat to cruise the backwaters of Kerala. So this is us on the riverboat. While Sam takes up his position and a few selfies later, the journey begins.
So we considered going on the Indian version of this trip, and well, I'm glad that we didn't. This is the actual Indian boat. We paid £7.50 for the whole boat for the private tour. These guys have actually paid 29p. There they are again.
That really is cattle class. I mean, I'm sorry, but look, I don't even think the boat was going to make it. But the main reason we didn't do that is because these boats can't go up the small canals like this one can. So these are some of the houseboats that you can stay on.
Fishing out of handmade canoes. A local lady doing her washing. One of many riverside houses. We take a little detour under this bridge to some stunning scenery the other side. Fishermen working on their boats, boat builders, people swimming in the canal, other visitors on other boats. It's really quite a busy area, but it's very picturesque. A little boogie en route. And more locals washing clothes.
Alleppey ഞാൻ അവരുടെ രാജ്യത്ത് ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ എന്നെ കണ്ടെന്ന് വിളിക്കണ്ടേ?
Sam has got his plate and I have got mine, and we now get dished up whatever this is in these pots and pans. Yeah, so just telling him I don't want some pieces. Oh, here comes some bread.
A traditional dish served on a banana leaf.
Really recommend.